Hi, this is Zev Mo from dadsontech.com, and today I'm going to do a review of the HTC MyTouch 3G slide from T-Mobile. This mobile device, I don't really call them phones anymore, is running Android 2.1 Update 1, and it has HTC Sense UI skin running on top. It's not released yet to the general public, but probably by the time this podcast goes up, you'll be able to go into the store and purchase it for yourself. Just like the MyTouch 3G Fender, HTC puts the emphasis on design, taking packaging to a whole different level. When you open the box, you feel confident that your product is well made. Now, this model actually has buttons on the front, which I really like, and they replace the search button with this G button, this Genius button, which I believe is a new function from HTC. The keyboard slides out really nicely. Also, the caps and function have a light that goes on when it's active. That's really helpful. But the alpha and the numeric keys are so close in color and size that it's very difficult when you're typing. Other than that, the UI is very snappy. Of course, it has their Sense UI on top, which is very pretty. It's got a lot of nice widgets going on. And of course, the window shade, which I really like in Android. But it's very pleasing. Android 2.1 also has this pinch to zoom on your home screen so you can see all 7 of your panels, which is really helpful. Now, one thing that comes by default, which I never expected to like, is this swipe keyboard technology. And I really like this. This demo I didn't even do over and over again. This is the first time I did it. It worked perfectly, which is really good from an editor's perspective, but it worked very well. I'm very pleased, and I want this on my iPhone. The cool thing is it also got my name right, which is kind of an amazing feat. So that's a little look at the HTC MyTouch 3G slide. This should really be called the 3G swipe. The keyboard's weight is distributed properly, it isn't top heavy, and it does feel natural. My main gripe is that there isn't enough of a color size difference between the alpha and the numeric characters. I didn't really feel the need to use this keyboard at all. Battery life is like most smart mobile devices. You will need to probably plug in around 2, 3, or 4 p.m. or change out the battery. You're using widgets, background applications, and updating status, so battery life will take a hit, but 2.2 may improve that. Overall, it's a solid device. The camera works well. The camcorder is decent. It's a vast improvement from the previous MyTouch 3G, which I didn't really like so well. But the things I really didn't like are more to do with Android. The marketplace where you buy apps from is only accessible from the device. There's no iTunes-like web-based application to review, purchase, and sync your phone with. But that probably is going to change. Parental controls are also an issue for families. There really are none. Google and the community really need to address that. As far as service, my experience is that, at least in the New York City area, data is a little weak indoors. Cell service is fine, but in outside situations, data seem perfectly fine. So if you're a T-Mobile customer and you're looking for a smart device, take a look at the HTC MyTouch 3G slide and let us know what you think. So this is Zev Mo for dadsontech.com. Thanks for watching.